scan this. Sophie is here. Let's level up. Calculus problems often look intimidating, but you can solve this specific integral challenge in under 60 seconds by following these 3 simple steps. Let's go now. First, notice the integral from 6 to 1 is -5. By reversing the limits, we flip the sign, giving us the integral from 1 to 6 equals +5. Next, split the interval from 1 to 6 into 1 to 4 and 4 to 6. Since the total is 5 and the second part is -3, it equals 8. Finally, distribute the integral across the sum, multiply our result by 5, and add the integral of the constant 4 over the interval of length 3 to get 52. Nailed it! Scan the code, you can learn better with Selvi. Don't skip the sign flip or misread bounds, always reverse limits and use linearity properties.